Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a Python tool I built that automatically checks all beams in an RT Plan DICOM file, verifying if all beams share the same isocenter, and identifying setup beams versus treatment beams. This is a critical quality assurance step during plan checks. The script uses Pydicom to read an RT plan directly. It starts by pulling every beam from the beam sequence, and for each one, it extracts both the beam name and the beam description. Now let's run the script and see its outputs. So here are the rows it outputs. Each row lists the beam number, beam name, description, and classification type, and the isocenter coordinates. It also prints out the classified type, whether it's a treatment beam or setup beams. After listing the beams, the script compares all their isocenters to the first beam's isocenter. It calculates the deviation between each beam's isocenter and flags any that are outside the specified tolerance. Here we use 0.1 mm. In this example, all beams share exactly the same isocenter within tolerance, and therefore we get a check confirmation. This tool makes it quick and reliable to verify beam geometry and detect setup beams without manually digging through the DICOM tags. It's flexible, scriptable, and can be customized to fit your clinical workflow. If you like to try it or adapt it for your own QA process, the code is lightweight and runs anywhere Python and Pydicom are available. You can download it using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. See you next time. Bye.